Hi everyone, welcome back to the series that takes you through the features of BitBlast. Now it's time to view and delete the database. Click on the cluster tab. By clicking the view button on the BitBlast cluster page, you gain access to a wealth of information related to the selected database. This includes detailed insights into artifacts and dynamic data associated with that specific database. Whether it's examining specific artifacts or exploring dynamic data points, the view feature providing a comprehensive understanding of its contents. This functionality enhances your ability to analyze and manage the database effectively, ensuring that you have the necessary insights and to make informed decisions within your projects. Now let's delete the database. Upon clicking the delete button, a form opens. Enter the cluster you want to delete. Now click on the delete button. This initiates the deletion process for the selected database. BitBlast then displays the progress of the deletion, allowing users to track its completion. Once the progress bar reaches completion, indicating that the deletion process is finished, the selected database is permanently removed from the project's database infrastructure and you will be redirected to the cluster list page. It's important to exercise caution when utilizing this feature as it results in the irreversible removal of the database and its associated data from the project. Thanks for joining us today. Stay tuned for more informative BitBlast videos.